Have you recently installed Windows 11 and it is not activated? In this video, you will learn how to activate Windows 11 the legit way. Before we start this detailed guide, press the like button and subscribe to our channel in case you forget later. Windows 11 is released as an upgrade to Windows 10 operating system. So if you are currently using activated Windows 10, you can upgrade to Windows 11 and you don't need to activate it. However, if you have directly installed Windows 10 using the Insider ISO, you need to activate Windows 11. How to activate Windows 11? To activate it, open Settings. Under the System tab, go to the Activation. Now click on Change to add the product key. If you have the Windows 10 product key, you can enter it here. If you have Windows 8 and Windows 7 product keys, you can also activate Windows 11. If you are looking for illegal ways to activate Windows 11, you should not do it. Many people on the internet are showing tricks to activate Windows 11. These tricks are not authorized, and most of them involving downloading scripts and a program that's nothing but a virus. So it is not a good idea to use an activated Windows 11 that is filled with viruses. Most activation tricks on the internet ask you to download a program or add codes in your registry, providing backdoor access to your PC to the hackers. They can download your files, see your internet history, can steal your passwords and credit card information. They can use your PC for illicit activities and the authorities will catch you. So it is not a good idea to use a crack or script to activate Windows 11. The best way to use Windows 11 right now is through the Insider program. If you are using an activated Windows 10, you can join the Microsoft Insider program. Windows 11 can be downloaded in the Insider Dev channel. It is the safest way to use Windows 11. You will get the official and activated Windows 11. Later on, when Microsoft releases Windows 11, you will be able to use it on a new, preloaded PC and purchase the activation key from the Microsoft Store. Another thing worth mentioning is you should not use any script to bypass the TPM 2.0 check, which is required to upgrade to Windows 11 eligibility. The script available on the internet is bugged with a direct link to a Russian server, so if you use those scripts, it will upload your data to that server. That's it for this video. If you have any questions and suggestions, drop them below and share this useful video with your friends. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your likes and comments motivate us to create such videos. Don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts for videos on Windows 10 tips and tricks.